Phule Praja Bhavan is now open for the public to access and ventilate their grievances. The Telangana government is now by the people and for the people. I commend Chief Minister Sri Anumula Revanth Reddy for articulating the government's commitment to serve as the people's servants in a true democracy. The Prajavani program, the government's first step in this direction, embodies the essence of people's governance, providing a platform for citizens to express their concerns and seek redressal. Telangana was born out of the aspirations of 4 crore people and the sacrifices of the youth and the relentless struggles of students. Our governance is rooted in the responsibility to honor those sacrifices, and our aim is to govern in alignment with the desires of civil society. The government expresses gratitude to all those parties and leaders who played a pivotal role in the creation of Telangana, especially acknowledging the efforts of the then UPA government and the Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. This government conveys that it is indebted to Mrs. Sonia Gandhi for her instrumental role in this historic process. As promised during the elections, the government is committed to realizing the 6 guarantees for the welfare and development of our people. The 2 guarantees have already been implemented, showcasing the government's dedication. I am happy that more than 15 crore trips have already been utilized by our women through the free TSRTC bus transportation services under the Mahalakshmi scheme implemented as part of 6 guarantees. The government has conducted the Praja Palana program in a successful manner. Grama and Ward Sabhas were conducted in every Gram Panchayat and every municipality respectively in a peaceful and democratic manner. We have received over 1.28 crore applications, and surely all 6 guarantees will be implemented in a time-bound manner. I am happy to announce that my government will implement 2 more guarantees very soon. Under the Mahalakshmi scheme, the LPG cylinders will be supplied to eligible families for rupees 500 only. Similarly, under the Griha Jyoti scheme, 200 units of free domestic power will be given to every eligible household. My government pledges to implement the guarantees, including the Mahalakshmi scheme, Raitu Bharosa, Griha Jyoti, Indrama houses, Yuva Vikasam and Cheyuta. The promises made will be fulfilled, and we stand committed to the declarations for the farmers, youth, SC/ST communities, BC and minority communities. Our vision for Telangana encompasses various sectors from irrigation projects like Palamuru Rangareddy to education, with fulfilling up to about 2 lakh jobs by our newly constructed TSPSC. The government is actively addressing land-related issues